Hello and welcome to part 6 in our series aimed at getting you through this downtime. The whole world is locked down. What can you do with your time during this time very productively? I promised in part 5, that I was going to share with us learning resources online where we can learn different courses from some of the best schools in the world. Today, I'm keeping that promise. And if you're new to this channel, and you probably have not done so, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button while you're at it, the bell button as well, so that you can get an alert whenever these videos come out. You'll be the first to know about it. Now, the first tip I'm going to give to you is from a site, founded by Harvard and MIT. It's called edX, or some would say EDX. It's a learning platform that gives students, from any country the opportunity to take free online courses offered by premier universities, Ivy League schools all over the world. So you can actually complete these courses free of charge and get certification from, guess what? Harvard, Yale, MIT, some of the schools you've always dreamt about, but yeah, you can do these courses online. You'll get certificates from them. Then the next one is Coursera. Coursera is free as well, and you can study online, build skills, from top universities as well. Just like edX, schools like Yale, Stanford, and from leading companies like Google and IBM as well. Top schools from around the world. You can go there and get these courses, and they are free of charge. Now, you can get a verification certificate for just a little fee, which means you do a little exam, just pay a little fee, and they get a verified certificate, rather, from these schools as well on Coursera. Then the third one is Udemy. Now, Udemy is also an online platform aimed at professional adults and students. It was founded in 2010. And as of today, as I speak to you, they have over 50 million students with over 57,000 instructors, and teaching in over 65 languages. In Udemy, of course, you pay a small fee, but you learn, the resources there are just huge. There's virtually nothing you can't learn on that particular platform. Number 4 is especially useful for students. A lot of children are back home right now from high school, from university, and all that. Now, number 4 is Khan's, academy. Now, I can learn anything there, be it physics, chemistry, English, mathematics, name it, whatever it is. And the beauty of it is, it's free. The teachers are top notch. And so this is a beautiful way of occupying your kids at home. They may be at home, but they can get the best of teaching resources from Khan Academy, okay? And it's free of charge. Take advantage of it today. Number 5 is Udacity. You can advance your courses in programming, data science, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, and more in Udacity. A small fee, not much, but you get the best of learning resources on this particular site as well. The next one is Lynda. And now Lynda has been acquired by LinkedIn Learning. Here you get, video courses taught by leading industry experts. And you can be sure that, backed by LinkedIn, you can be sure about the quality of what you're going to be getting there. And it covers various areas. So for professionals, for creatives, for IT specialists, go to Lynda, lynda.com. But it's now LinkedIn Learning, and you'll get the best of resources from that particular site as well. And then the next one of my favorites, is Masterclass. These are video courses taught by leading lights in various industries. I'll give you an example. Tennis, who better to teach tennis than, a Serena Williams, for instance? Is it music? Is it business? Name it. Movie making, whatever it is. You get the masterclass is truly what it is. You're taught well by the best in the industries, whether it be fashion design, it be whether you want to you want to be a chef, you'll get the best chefs teaching you there, whatever it is. So the site for that is Masterclass. And then the next one is Skillshare. Now, with Skillshare, you can learn design, photography, illustration, and more. Here, you can have 2 months free of charge. It's a fee, of course. You can do 2 months free of charge. Try. You can learn anything within those 2 months, and then no commitment fees. Go there, learn, and of course, if you want to, and I'm sure you will after you've seen the quality of what you pick up from that site, Skillshare. The next one is for anyone who's always wanted to build or design games, applications for mobile. You want to build a website. You want to build, you want to be the next person to design the next app, Uber-like app, or whatever it is. Go to Code Academy. Your kids can go in there and learn programming. You can go there, whoever it is, just go in there. They teach, different programming languages, including Python, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, SQL, C++, Swift, SAS. I mean, even, as well as markup languages like HTML as well, and CSS. So Code Academy, that's a place to go to. A lot of people have gone there and have since, become, leading lights in IT, and programming. And then the final one I'll leave you with today is Pluralsight. Pluralsight is an education company that offers video training courses for software developers, IT administrators, and creative professionals through its website. There's quite a lot to pick up from that particular site. If you go in there, explore, and then find out what they have on offer. There's so much more. I'm just giving you this 10 today. If you're interested in getting more, then leave your comments, in the comment section below. And while you do that, so I will know if you want more, we can do more. If you have any questions as well, address those questions there, and I promise you I'm going to answer. Okay, let's engage in the comment section. And that's not all. While you're there, please do remember, if you've not done that, to hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button, and while you're at that, hit the alert bell as well, so that you will be the first to know when I release new videos like this and many more that will help enhance your productivity. We'll leave it at that today, and you can let me know what areas you want me to talk about as well, and let's engage. And I promise I'll do my best to get you the best information from wherever, and let's keep sharing.